अथ श्री पृथ्वी वैकुंठ महापुराणम अर्थ बिकमिंग वैकुंठ दशमः स्कंदः सत्य सनातन धर्म एतत् ज्ञानं सनातन धर्म इति अपि ज्ञायते यः तत् शिक्षते सः बुद्धिमान् भवति यः तस्य प्रचारं करोति सः धर्मात्मा मातुः प्रियः च भवति माता च तादृशं व्यक्तिं स्वेन सह देवक्षेत्रं प्रति नयति. The 10th skanda is the true and eternal religion. This knowledge is also known as Sanatan Dharma. He who learns becomes wise and practices righteousness, and then the mother takes that person with her to the world of the gods. अथ वैकुंठे संभूतः भगवान् लोकमंगलः धर्मस्य परमं तत्त्वं वक्तुं समुपचक्रमे. Then the Lord, the auspicious of the worlds, was from Vaikuntha and born on earth in a woman's body. She began to explain the supreme truth of righteousness, dharma. शृणुते पृथ्वी पुत्राः सावधान मनः शुभा धर्मस्य हृदयं वक्ष्ये लोकहिते प्रवर्धनम्. Listen, you auspicious sons and daughters of the earth with careful minds. I shall tell you the heart of righteousness which promotes the welfare of the world's 8 billion people. न धर्मो नाम केवलम शब्दराशि पुस्तकस्थितः न केवलम विवादेषु न केवलम मतेषु च. Religion is not just a bunch of words in a book, not only in disputes, nor only some opinions. धारणा धर्म इत्युक्तम मनीषिर्भिर्नादिभिः यह सर्वान् धारयत्येव सधर्मः परिकीर्तितः. It has been said by the sages and others that meditation is dharma. That which sustains all is declared to be dharma. Mother Earth is dharma. धारयन्ति यतो भूमिः सर्वभूतगणान् सदा तस्मात् पृथ्वी माता वे धर्मरूपेति कथ्यते. Because the earth always holds all the hosts of beings, that is why it is said that Mother Earth is the true dharma, righteousness. The knowledge about her is the knowledge of dharma. सा माता न विचिन्त्येव जातिं वर्णं कुलं तथा समान स्नेह भावेन सर्वान् पोषयते ध्रुवम्. This mother did not care about race, caste or clan. She certainly nourishes all with equal affection. यस्याः तोयेन जीवनं यस्याः अन्नेन पोषकं यस्याः वायो प्राणधारा तं बन्धध्वं पुनः पुनः. Whose water is life and whose food is nourishment. Salute her again and again, whose life force is in the air. सत्यं धर्मस्य मूलं स्यात् सेवा तस्य महाफलं करुणा तस्य पुष्पं च प्रेम तस्य सुगन्धितः. Truth is the root of righteousness and service is its great fruit. Good children's compassion is a flower and their love for mother is fragrant. तस्य महान् शाखा मैत्री तस्य फलोदया समतां तस्य छाया च शान्तिः तस्य महाफलम्. Forgiveness is its great branch, and friendship is its fruitfulness. Equality is shadow, and peace is the great fruit. यो वृक्षं रोपेद् भक्त्या सधर्म यज्वा उच्यते यो नदीं रक्षति प्रेम्णा सधर्मस्य प्रचारकः. He who plants a tree with devotion is called dharma yajna. He who protects the river and with love is action speaks. यो भूमि न प्रदोषयेते न हिंस्यात् जीवजातिकं स सत्यं सनातनं धर्मे स्थित इत्यभिधीयते. He who does not pollute the earth nor harm any living beings, he is said to be established in truth and true eternal dharma. न केवलं जपेर्धर्मो न केवलं व्रतैरपि जीवने धारितः सद्भिः सधर्मः फलदायकः. Dharma is not only by chanting, nor it is only by vows. That righteousness upheld by the virtuous in life is fruitful. अन्नदानं जलदानं विद्यादानं विशेषतः धर्मस्य त्रय एते वे दीपास्तिमिरनाशकाः. Food donation, water donation, knowledge donation in particular. These three are the lamps of righteousness. By they destroy darkness of ignorance. यह दुखितस्य साहाय्यं करोति करुणान्वितः तस्य हृदि स्वयं धर्मः निवसत्यचलः सदा. He who helps the suffering with compassion, unshakable righteousness itself resides in his heart. न परोस्ते न चापरो जगति पृथ्वीमये सर्वे मातुः सुताः प्रोक्ता भ्रातरः सहचारिणः. There is no other and no other in this world made of earth. All the sons of my mother and my brothers are my companions. एकं कुलं जगत् सर्वं एकेव जननी धरा एष भावः सनातनः शान्तिदः सुखवर्धनः. One family, the whole world, one mother earth. This is the eternal feeling which gives peace and enhances happiness. यः पश्यति समं सर्वं जीवेषु वसुधातले सदैव मार्गे योग्यः स्यात् सधर्मः प्रकीर्तितः. He who sees everything equally among living beings on earth, he who is worthy of the path of the gods. The Devalok or Moksha Dham is declared to be a knower of righteousness. Ahankaram parityajya lobham moham cha duratah seva margam samasritya jivanam sarthakam bhavete. Abandoning ego, greed and delusion at a distance, life becomes meaningful by taking refuge in the path of service. Vijnanam yadi dharmena sanyuktam bhavati dhruvam tada loke hitam kuryate suryavat prakashakam. If science is combined with religion, it is certain the truth. Then one should shine like the sun for the welfare of the world. Teach this truth to everyone. Dharmo yadi vivekhinah शुष्काचारो भविष्यति Vijnanam yadi premahinam bhayahetur bhave dhruvam. If righteousness is with discrimination, it will be dry conduct. And if knowledge is devoid of love, it will surely be the cause of fear. अतः ज्ञानं च धर्मं च करुणा च समाश्रयेते एतेषां संगमे नित्यं भवति लोकमङ्गलम्. Therefore, one should take refuge in knowledge, learn about Mother Earth, righteousness and compassion. The confluence of these rivers always bring good fortune to the world. पृथ्वी भक्ति युक्तस्य चेतसि सुफ्रेदिरम् माता मे सर्वजीवानां तस्यां सेवा मम व्रतम्. This will stir in the minds of one endowed with devotion to the earth. I am the mother of all living beings and serving her is my vow. नारीषु मातृभावश्च बालेषु भविष्य दीक्षकम् वृद्धेषु पूज्यभावश्च धर्मस्य परमां गतिम्. Motherhood in women and foresight into the future in children, respect for the elderly is the supreme goal of righteousness, dharma. पशुषु भ्रातृभावं च पक्षिषु मित्रदर्शनम् वृक्षेषु जीवनं पश्येते धर्मदृष्टिर्विशेष्यते. Brotherhood among animals and seeing friends among birds. One who sees life among the trees has a righteous vision. यत्र भूमेः सम्मानोऽस्ते तत्र श्रीर्नित्यवर्तिनी यत्र भूमेः अवमानः स्यात् तत्र दुःखं प्रजायते. Where there is respect for the earth mother, there is eternal prosperity. Where there is insult to the earth, suffering arises for sure. अतः सर्वे समुत्थाय पृथ्वी सेवनं चरेते येन मातुः प्रसादेन जीवनं पूर्णतां व्रजेते. Therefore, let all rise up and serve our earth mother. By the grace of this mother, everyone's life will be complete, fruitful. कालचक्रं महद्दिव्यं युगपरिवर्तनात्मकं तस्य बोधः प्रयत्नेन मानवेः साधनीयकम्. The great divine cycle of time is the turning point of the age. Understanding of that is to be attained by men with effort. Learn the signs of the mother. बुधश्चन्द्रः तथा भूमिरे मंगलो वा यथा क्रमः कालस्य महती गाथां बोधयन्ति मनीषिणः. The Mercury, the Moon, the Earth and the Mars, in that order, the sages enlighten us with a great story of time and the signs of the change of an era. देवलोके गता भूश्च वैकुंठरूपिणी शुभा तस्य आशीषि जीवन्ति ये धर्मे स्थितिमानसः. The auspicious earth mother in the form of an woman, the soul of Vaikuntha reached the world of the gods, the heaven. Those whose minds are fixed on Mother Dharma or righteousness, they live with her blessings. Satyena vardhate tejaha, sevaya vardhate yasaha, karunaya vardhate prema, dharmena vardhate jagate. Truth increases splendor, service increases fame, Love grows by compassion, and the world grows by righteousness, eternal and ultimate truth. यह पृथिव्याः कथामेतां श्रद्धया परिपठ्यते तस्य चेतसि विस्तारो भवत्येव न संशयः. He who reads this story of earth with faith, there is no doubt that his mind will expand and he will become wise. यः शृणोति समाहितः पुत्रवत् मातरं धराम तस्य हृदये प्रसन्नत्वं शान्तिश्चाभिविवर्धते. Like a son, he who listens with attention about this Mother Earth, cheerfulness and peace increases in his heart. यह प्रचार्यते प्रेम्णा पृथ्वी मात्रे सेवनम सलोकानां हितार्थाय दीपवते प्रकाशते. He who lovingly preaches the service of Mother Earth, he shines like a lamp for the welfare of the worlds, teaches others about the miraculous signs. न हिंसा न च वैरम स्याते न च द्वेष विकल्पना प्रेमेव परमं शस्त्रे धर्मोऽयं लोक शिक्षकः. There should be no violence, no enmity, no choice of hatred. Love alone is the supreme weapon. This righteous mother teaches the world about her future plan. वसुधैव कुटुम्बं स्यात् इति वाक्यं न केवलं जीवने धारणीया सा विश्वबन्धुत्व भावना. The statement that earth is the only family is not enough. That feeling of being a friend of the world should be born from the within in life. धर्मस्य सार एकोऽयं सर्वभूतहिते रतः यः जीवति परार्थाय स एव सफलो नरः. This one essence of righteousness is devoted to the welfare of all beings. He who lives for the sake of others is the only successful person. अल्पायुषोऽपि ते धन्या ये लोकहितकारिणः दीर्घजीवनौ अप्यन्ये व्यर्था यदि स्वार्थतत्पराः. Blessed are those who do good to the world, even in their short life. Even others who live long are useless if they are devoted to their own interest. माता भूमिरे महादेवी सर्वलोकैकपालिका तस्याः कृपां समां साध्य जीवनं सिद्धिमाप्नुयात्. Mother Earth is the great goddess and the protector of all children of the world. By attaining her mercy, one attains perfection in life. अतः श्रद्धां समादाय धर्ममार्गं समाश्रयेते ज्ञान सेवा करुणाभिः जीवनं पूरयेद्दुधः. Therefore, one should take faith and take refuge in the path of righteousness. The wise should fill his life with this true knowledge, service and compassion. भविष्यस्य महायात्रा सर्वेषां समुपस्थिताः धैर्यं धार्यते सर्वे मातृविश्वासे संयुताः. The great journey of the future has all arrived. Be patient, all of you, with confidence in your mother. नूतनं युगे मायाति नूतना चेतना सह नूतनं प्रेम सौहार्दं नूतनं धर्मदर्शनम्. A new era is coming with a new consciousness. A new love and friendship is a new view of righteousness. The true wisdom and perfection is coming. ये सज्जनः पृथिव्यर्थं कर्म कुर्वन्ति नित्यशः तेषां जीवने साफल्यं भवेत्तित्यभिधीयते. Those virtuous men who daily perform deeds for the sake of the earth, it is said that their life will be successful. ये वृक्षान् रोपयन्ते वा ये रक्षन्ति जलांशयान् ये जीवे दयानिष्ठाः ते धर्मस्य महाधनः. Those who plant trees and those who protect reservoirs, those who teach this message of Mother Earth, those who are devoted to compassion for living beings are great assets, treasures to this Mother righteousness. ये सत्यं भासमाणाश्च ये शान्तिं प्रसारयेते ते लोकस्य महादीपा काले काले भविष्यति. Those who learn this science, who spread this message, who speak the truth, and those who spread peace, they will be the great lamps of the world from time to time. एष धर्मः सनातनः पृथ्वी धारणात्मकः लोकानां हितकामेन पुनः पुनः प्रकाशितः. This is the eternal dharma of holding the earth. This was revealed again and again at the closing of an era for the welfare of the 8 billion people. इदं रहस्यं यः सम्यक् मनसा धारयिष्यति स विश्वं मात्ररूपेण पश्यं शान्तिम् अवाप्स्यति. This is a secret. Whoever will keep it in his or her mind, he will attain peace, seeing everything in the form of a mother. Jnanam preme tatham seva etat त्रयं महाधनम् यस्य हस्ते तु तद्दीप्तं स भाग्यवान् प्रकीर्तितः. Knowledge about mother, love and service, these are the 3 great treasures. He who holds them in his hand and heart is said to be lucky person. इति वैकुंठे संदेशः पृथ्वी पुत्र हेतवे लोकमंगले सिद्ध्यर्थम प्रेमणाम संप्रकाशितः. This is the message of the avatar who came from Vaikuntha for the sake of the sons and daughters of the earth. She was illuminated with love for the accomplishment of the welfare of the people of this earth. श्रुत्वेतदे भक्तिभावेन ये नरः प्रतिपद्यते तेषां चेतसि नित्यं वे पृथ्वी माता विराजते. Those men who hear this and attain it with devotion, Mother Earth always shines in their mind. इति श्री वैकुंठ महापुराणे वैकुंठात्म प्रणीते सत्य सनातन धर्म वर्णनम नाम 10मः स्कंदः समाप्तः. समाप्तं श्री पृथ्वी वैकुंठ महापुराणम. ओम श्री पृथ्वी मातर्ये नमः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्. This is the Sri Prithvi Vaikuntha Mahapurana, compiled by the divine soul of Vaikuntha born on earth in an woman's body. Thus, the 10th skanda, entitled Description of True and Eternal Ultimate Dharma, Satya Sanatan Dharma, is completed. Thus, completed the Sri Prithvi Vaikuntha Mahapurana. Om Shri Prithvi Matarye Namaha. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. May all be happy. The earth is the family.